Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we're standing in my kitchen and behind me you can see I have this tray up. It says warm up here, coffee, cocoa, and tea. Now I've had this up since the holidays, so I think it's time to bring in something fresh and new for spring. So I want to share with you guys, if you haven't seen my video, my Hobby Lobby haul and my spring vignette, take a look at that. I have a ton of stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I got a lot of things left over, some little bunnies and some birds and a few little extra Easter things. So I was thinking about incorporating something on my kitchen counter here with some of those extra items left over. And also I think I can bring in my Rooster salt and pepper shakers and maybe use my candle. So let me show you what I found over at Marshall's. I picked this up for $14.99, so I couldn't pass that up. So I thought this would be a cute idea to put this on my kitchen counter and maybe use my Rooster salt and pepper shakers on here. And then the other thing that I picked up while I was there, these little lavender wreaths, and I think these were super cute. I just need to find some spring ribbon, and then these will go above my stove on my cabinet, and they will hang with the ribbon. And I'll probably put those up as soon as I find some spring ribbon for them. And then the last thing that I found was this little couple dish towels. Now I just wanted this for my coffee bar to go on my two-tier tray. I needed to replace one of my dish towels, and I thought this was really cute with the little bunny here. So let me go ahead and pull out some of my extra things from Hobby Lobby and see how I'm going to decorate this on my kitchen counter. My two-tier tray is all finished, and I must say I have more fun creating these. They're super easy and fun to do. So let me share with you what I put on here. Now this is a fern that's in a little glass vase, and then my little bird here, and then I'm using this little watering can in yellow. Now these items came from Hobby Lobby. These were some pieces that I had left over from my shopping haul that I did. And I'm also using my salt and pepper shakers with the little roosters with the tea bags. And then over here is the little round green ball that I put towards the back. And then over here on the side is the little blue bird that I'm using. Now this also came from Hobby Lobby. I'm also using the little green moss eggs that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now I had some of these left over, so I decided that it needed a little something in between some of my decor. So I went ahead and added those. I went ahead and removed my candle, and then I added my blue bunny. And then I just added some moss, and then I brought in some spring flowers. So I'm really happy the way this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this inspires you to get creative in your home. And I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, happy decorating!